Manolet Escudero, car BYD Atos 3. Oo, wala akong masasabi. Once a year, check up, PMS. I've had the car for almost 3 years. So far, the first bali tatlong check-up talaga na pupuntahan ko. The first 1,000 ba yun o 5,000? Then, di ba? The year after that. And then the second year. Walang problema. In the beginning, pumipila ako. Ngayon, medyo maloob na ang service which is better. Well, to be frank with you, palaging puno yun. I'm not free all the time, so kung tumatawag ako sa BYD Santa Rosa, it happens na I can bring my car there right then and then. So far, so good. All the bells and whistles, sarap yan. Yung ACC, yung braking and everything. When I'm on the highway, kamay ko na lang nakapatong sa manibele. Hindi na ako nakagasolina at saka kung may preno na siya mag-isa. Ayos siya. Well, as promised, it was always 2 hours and a half, pero it always finishes less than that. It's your crew and your service advisors. Madaling kausap. Yun lang. Hindi na maraming Tsaka they're very informative. They can answer all the questions you want to know about the car to make your decision.